Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. CA Foundation examinations of January 2021 attempt. The results have been declared on March 21st, 2021. So congratulations to all of you who have qualified in that results. If you have not yet qualified, don't worry. I am leaving a small video link in the cards. Please look at the top right corner. I am leaving a video link. In that video, after watching that video, you can understand how valuable the failure is and how we need to come out of such failure. Anyhow, my dear students, since you have qualified CA Foundation examinations, you will be inclined to join for CA Inter coaching and can appear for CA Inter examinations in November 2021 itself. Yes, you can appear for November 2021 CA Inter examinations. The last date to register for CA Inter is 1st April 2021. Luckily, CA Institute has extended the last date of registration. So first of all, you go and do your registration immediately. So in the same Masterminds YouTube channel, so we have already uploaded a video explaining you the step-by-step procedure to register for CA Inter. I am leaving the link of that video in the cards. Please look at the top right corner of this video. Now, since you have qualified CA Foundation, now you will be interested to join for CA Inter coaching. But unfortunately, the available time is not at all sufficient to take coaching for both the groups and prepare for both the groups. Remember, my dear students, since the syllabus of CA Inter is vast, so you need at least 2 months of time to consolidate this much amount of syllabus after completion of syllabus. That is, you need at least 2 months of preparation time after completion of syllabus so as to appear for CA Inter examinations. Since the available time is very less, it is not at all possible to finish off the coaching for both the groups and to prepare for both the groups. That's why we have come up with a unique batch, so called long-term batch, which is a 15 months batch for CA Inter. It's a unique solution designed for the students who have qualified CA Foundation on March 21st, 2021 results. We can proudly say that we are the first institute in India to come up with such kind of unique solution. So in this batch, we are going to offer CA Inter coaching for around 14 to 15 months. Normally CA Inter coaching will run between 9 to 10 months, but now it will run in 14 to 15 months. So this batch is available only at head office, that is Guntur. And this batch will be run on completely as physical batch. So this batch is very much suitable for the students who have qualified their CA Foundation in January 2021 attempt. Of course, some students might have qualified in earlier attempt, but they might have not joined for CA Inter yet due to various reasons. Even such kind of students can join for CA Inter now. Now, who would like to attempt CA Inter examinations group wise rather than both groups at a time? Some students may always show interest to learn and appear for examinations of each group of CA Inter at a time, and they would like to think of one group after another. For all such students, this is a very convenient batch. Generally, both groups coaching will require 1700 hours of coaching, and this much huge amount of coaching is not practically possible to offer. So as to make you to appear for examinations in November 2021 itself. In this long-term batch, Group 1 classes will be conducted for 900 hours and Group 2 classes will be conducted for 800 hours. In this batch, initially coaching will be given only for Group 1 of CA Inter, and coaching will be completed within 4.5 months from the date of commencement of the batch. After completion of Group 1 syllabus, study hours and revision exams will be conducted till the completion of public exams in November 2021. That is approximately for 2.5 months, and we will make you to appear for Group 1 examinations in November 2021. After 3 days of completion of CA Inter Group 1 public exams in the month of November 2021, we will immediately start giving coaching for Group 2. So Group 2 syllabus will be completed within 3.5 months from the date of commencement of the batch. After completion of Group 2 syllabus, study hours and revision exams will be conducted till the commencement of public exams in May 2022. That means in May 2022, you will be appearing for Group 2 examinations. So study hours and revision exams will be conducted separately for Group 1 as well as Group 2 at an additional nominal fee, which will be communicated at the time of counseling. And as a part of study hours and revision exams, we will make you to sit and study for the whole day, and we will conduct 2 exams a week. Initially, we will provide materials of Group 1 alone, and as and when we start the classes of Group 2, we will provide you the material of Group 2, because we just want to provide you the latest material of Group 2. So students need to plan for ICA TSS classes only after completion of Group 2 examinations in May 2022. Of course, if they want to appear for articleship, they must plan only after completion of examinations in May 2022. So while coaching is going on, we will be conducting weekend examinations either on Sunday or Monday. And in this long-term batch, classes will be conducted for 9.5 to 10 hours per day. In this batch, college timings, teaching speed, materials, academic program, everything will be same as that of any other regular batches. There will not be any difference. The academic program for long-term batch will be same as that of any other regular batches, and there will not be any difference. And every week we will be conducting PDP programs so as to focus on improvement of your communication skills. Since we are offering coaching for 14 to 15 months rather than 9 to 10 months, fees will be slightly higher in long-term batch rather than normal batch. So our staff will provide you the requisite details. My dear students, if you are interested to take admission into this long-term batch, please make call to the mobile number given in the description below of this video, and please don't forget to install our Masterminds Android app with the name Masterminds Online Classes. So large number of useful videos will be available in that app. So you can pay the requisite amount and you can start watching the videos of your choice without any human intervention. Please do visit our website www.mastermindsindia.com. So please follow our Facebook and Instagram pages with the title Masterminds for CA. If you have any academic doubts, you can contact me. The details are given in the description of this video. If you are still in a dilemma what to do, don't worry, send an email to me and I will respond to you. In that email, clearly describe your issue and also your mobile number. If needed, I will directly make a call to you and will resolve your issue. Hope that I have given a useful information to you. So don't waste your valuable time. Immediately after getting qualified in CA Foundation, come and join for CA Inter long-term batch, and I wish all of you to get qualified in Group 1 of November 2021 and get qualified in Group 2 of May 2022 attempts itself. All the best.